Hi everyone, welcome back to another very short but also very informative YouTube tutorial. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix iPhone Wi-Fi not working. So let's begin right away. So there are 3 steps I can suggest to fix this issue. First is to turn off your airplane mode. Second is to reset the network settings. And third is to update the iOS of your iPhone. So for the first step, you just simply go to the control center and then make sure that the airplane mode has been turned off. You can also do this by opening the settings and then turn off airplane mode. For the second step, you just simply open settings, scroll down until you reach general. Open general, then scroll down and click reset. Afterwards, click the reset network settings. And for the last step, or the third step, open the settings once again, scroll down to General, and then click Software Update. After doing one or all of the steps I have given, your problem should now be fixed. If not, please contact the Apple support or go to the nearest Mac Center or Apple Center in your location. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.